Are you struggling to find a set of speakers that deliver rich, clear audio without breaking the bank or cluttering your desk? Many compact speakers compromise on sound quality or connectivity, leaving you with a less than ideal listening experience. Today, we're reviewing the Edifier R1700BT, a pair of active bookshelf speakers that have garnered significant attention for their impressive performance and value. We'll explore what makes them stand out, their real-world performance, and whether they're the right choice for your setup. The Edifier R1700BT speakers are a 2.0 active bookshelf system, boasting 66 watts RMS of power, distributed between a 4-inch woofer and a 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter in each unit. They offer versatile connectivity with dual RCA inputs and Bluetooth 5.1, allowing for seamless wireless streaming. The speakers also feature convenient bass and treble adjustment knobs, along with a master volume control, all easily accessible on the side panel. Looking at the performance, these speakers truly shine in their ability to produce a balanced and dynamic sound profile. Users frequently highlight their clear highs, rich mids, and surprisingly potent bass for their size. The built-in digital signal processing and dynamic range control help minimize distortion, even at higher volumes, contributing to a premium listening experience. The Bluetooth connectivity is generally reported as stable and quick to pair, making them incredibly user-friendly for everyday wireless audio needs. Compared to other options in this price range, the Edifier R1700BT often stands out due to its robust build quality, featuring attractive wooden enclosures, and the inclusion of both wired and wireless inputs. While some might find the bass a little overwhelming in smaller rooms, the adjustable equalizer knobs offer a practical solution to tailor the sound to your preference. They are best suited for desktop setups, small to medium-sized living spaces, or as an upgrade for TV audio, appealing to anyone seeking quality sound without the complexity of a separate amplifier. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile, great-sounding pair of active bookshelf speakers that offer excellent value, the Edifier R1700BT is a compelling option. They deliver a premium audio experience that often exceeds their price point, making them a popular choice for a reason. If this review helped you decide, please consider subscribing for more content like this. And check out the Amazon links in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching.